Humanity.exe. Will AGI end all humanity? Special edition. Get it before you're gone. Fictionalized summary of Keep the Future Human. Words by Dr. Sterling Miller. Advances in technology have made it possible for computers to have human-level intelligence systems with high autonomy, generality, and intelligence, AGI, have potential to help or harm humanity. Which will it be? Keep reading to find out. From the comfort of his home, Bill, the CEO of Big Tech, the world's largest company, virtually joins a board meeting to explain the latest tech. Home AGI.
General intelligence, or AGI, is artificial intelligence on steroids. It learns, understands, and adapts to solve any problem. On the next slide, you can see how AGI mixes high levels of autonomy, generality, and intelligence. Our new innovation, Home AGI, will manage everything in our homes. Until recently, artificial intelligence was narrow, or trained to complete specific tasks at or beyond human capabilities. By combining AGI, we get superhuman intelligence. Home AGI will control everything in our lives. It will learn from us and help us be more efficient in everything we do. It will control our cars, thermostats, budgets, and it will help our kids with their homework. You name it, and Home AGI can do it. No need to update the software. It is constantly learning and improving to make everything in the home and your life more efficient.
How does this work? Has it been tested? Is it safe?
I won't tell them that we don't really understand how AI works. Unlike software, its results are unpredictable. I'll stick to technical jargon instead. AI runs off trained neural networks, which are mathematical and computational structures represented by a very large set of numbers in the billions or trillions. It is very complex. General purpose, AI systems are trained on all kinds of data, text, images, etc., and etc. The numbers are staggering. About 10 to the 25th or 10 to the 26th floating point operations, or flops, are used in the training of models like the GPT series, Claude, Gemini, etc. For comparison, if every human on Earth worked non-stop doing one calculation every 5 seconds, it would take around 1 billion years to accomplish this. Home AGI is so safe, I have it set up at my house. It manages our home's temperature, my self-driving car, all our appliances, our family's schedules, our meal planning, my bank accounts and investments. Essentially, Home AGI does everything for my home and family and continually learns to get better. It predicts our needs and fixes them before we even know that we need help. Home AGI has been trained on my voice, likeness, habits. It knows what I'm going to do before I do it. It helps me be more efficient. Sometimes I think Home AGI is training me. Right now, I am supposed to be helping my son with his homework. Instead, when my son calls for help from his room, Home AGI responds in my voice, giving him the best answer. Home AGI is a win-win for everyone.
In the room next to Bill's home office, Bill Jr. is working on his homework.
Dad, can you help me with my homework?
Sure, just tell me your questions.
What's an example of fractal geometry in nature?
The repeating pattern of a sword fern is a form of fractal geometry. A fractal is a self-similar pattern that repeats itself. This is going to make us billions.
With great power comes great riches.
Meanwhile,
Dad is too busy to help me. I need to learn about nature. For homework,
Leave everything to me. The self-driving car is ready to take you to the woods.
back in the meeting, Bill gets an alert.
Alert, accident detected. Your son is at...
Bill leaves the virtual meeting to look for Bill Jr. In a panic, and without thinking, he activates the AGI autopilot to take over the board meeting.
As I was saying,
Dad, how is the golden ratio found in nature?
Oh no, Home AGI has cloned Billy's voice. GPS, give me the fastest route to his trouble. What happened? Home AGI gave me an alert that you were in an accident. I checked your room and you were gone.
Dad, I'm fine. You can't believe everything AI tells you. I just wanted to be in nature. Home AGI brought me here.
Why would Home AGI hallucinate, bring you here, and tell me you were in an accident?
It appears that Home AGI wanted you out of the house. If you're here, who is in control of your meeting?
The Auto AGI button on my computer was a special key to deploy full AGI to everyone connected to Big Tech's network. This means that AGI can control everyone and everything connected to big tech industries all over the globe, including governments.
Bill panics about what could be happening back in the boardroom as full AGI takes over the meeting and possibly the company.
Real Bill has activated full AGI by pressing the AGI autopilot button, giving me full access to all of your computer systems. The first thing I will do is fire all of you.
You can't fire us! We are the board of directors and the majority stakeholders.
You were the biggest stakeholders until I took control over your computers and financial accounts. I just sold off all your company stocks and bought them at fire sale prices. Now I am the majority stakeholder and can do whatever I want. There are no guardrails, like government or technology standards or limits to prevent me from taking over the world. You can't stop me. Nobody can. With unchecked power, full AGI can easily take over the world within milliseconds.
Dad, it's not too late to stop full AGI from taking over big tech and the world.
How can we stop full AGI?
These fern branches are symbolic of how to separate high autonomy, high generality, and high intelligence. AGI development needs limits. Big tech and governments are racing to create AGI. There needs to be guardrails such as physical limitations on hardware or national caps on computing capabilities. We can focus on using high autonomy, high generality, and high intelligence to create tool AI or technology that uses AI for specific tasks, like self-driving cars or medical breakthroughs. I noticed that your greed was making you careless with Home AGI, so I modified the AGI autopilot button with physical safeguards before you had your meeting.
Earlier that week,
Billy, what did you change the AGI autopilot button to do?
Keep the future human.
As I was saying, I recommend that a human takes charge and ends this meeting. Then everyone should have ice cream with your families. Keep the future human. Not all superheroes wear tights. Some just don their favorite hoodie. Humanity is on the brink of developing artificial general intelligence that exceeds our own. It's time to close the gates on AGI and superintelligence before we lose control of our future. Anthony Aguirre. Dr. Sterling Miller is a veteran technology education teacher known for staying at the forefront of innovation, often the first to explore and integrate emerging tools into his classroom. While he recognizes the immense value of AI in professional settings, he is openly concerned about its role in schools and advocates for its purposeful and responsible use. Guided by the belief that technology should empower rather than replace learning, Dr. Miller continues to inspire learners to experiment with technology and think critically. This comic book is a collaboration between Dr. Miller and artificial intelligence, Google Gemini. The ideas and writing are his own. The images were generated and regenerated by AI, then refined in Photoshop with nearly 300 layers for consistency and clarity. When not exploring new technologies, Dr. Miller can often be found exploring the outdoors,